Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to download Microsoft Teams in PC Windows 7. So first of all, open Windows 7, then you'll have to open any browser. It can be Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. After you open the browser, you will see a search bar. You'll have to type in download Microsoft Teams, hit enter and scroll down and click on Download Microsoft Teams desktop and mobile application. Now, simply click on Download Microsoft Teams for Windows and it will instantly download a file onto your PC. Navigate to Download section and click on MS Teams Setup. Now when you click on that setup, it will instantly download Microsoft Teams on your PC and will open up like this. Now you can easily use Microsoft Teams however you want. So that's the simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.